Hello, wait, is this? Today I'm going to show you something really special. It's actually called your 24-hour shop. It's actually a shop made up of all the vending machine. So I will pan to it now. You can see these are all vending machine on here. These are all vending machine, and they sell a lot of stuff. I'll let you see later. So they sell all kind of potato chips and okashi, as you can see. They got chocolates also. And how you pay is actually you need to key in the product code, which is here. And you need to match the code, like example here, this is 1318. You just need to key in 1318 and pay the amount. And they accept cash and probably cash only. Or they also accept coins. Yeah. So other than snacks, they also sell all kind of funny stuff, your daily products. You can see this one is actually a shampoo or something, and this one is like cleaner paper. Wow. Sell all the dry food, you can see, and coffee. Oh my goodness. Even toilet paper, man. Toilet paper. Another thing to be surprised is that they actually sell condoms. My goodness. It's pretty interesting concept that we have something here in Jurong West. So you see all these, right? These are actually inks to dye the t-shirt. You can see this is the t-shirt, right? And you use these inks to go and dye them and make something unique. It's really interesting. They even sell power bank. Oh my goodness. And I thought, what's this? This was so funny kind of thing. I thought they have very interesting stuff. This is the Penang Hokkien Mee. Wow, if you can see. Pretty interesting stuff. They also have all the dry stuff. It's actually for cooking, man. Can you cook this? This is what? Pad Thai paste. So now I'm going to show you how to use this machine. I'm going to buy one of this. Okay, let's do it. So the code for this biscuit is actually, this cookie is actually 1327. So I just need to call here. I think it's just touch screen. Oh no, you just need to start the 1, 3, 2, 7. And the picture will actually show here also. Interesting. And there's the price here. Then you just need to keep putting the money here. $2. And then you put a coin. Oh, the thing just dropped there. Like, seriously, oh my god. Let's go and collect it. That's so hard to collect. This is actually cheaper than 7-Eleven, by the way. I don't know whether just okay, it's pretty easy to use actually for this machine, and yep, you all should go and try. Come by Jurong and get this stuff here. And this is actually the store. It's actually located in one of the HDB, and you can see this. Oh, they still got a lot of funny stuff. Yep, it's very quiet today. So that's pretty much about this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time in the next video. Ja, mata ne, bye bye.